What is the meaning of bionic leg? A bionic limb is controlled by the electric signals from the muscle and or nerves above the level of the amputation. Bidirectional control is then completed via sensation restoration through the connection of the remaining nerves or muscles above the level of amputation to the prosthetic device sensors. A robotic prosthetic knee that empowers people's mobility, a motor-powered microprocessor knee that provides motion assistance and enables natural movement to enhance amputees' mobility in their daily activities. Bio-leg introduction to feature and function. A robotic prosthetic knee that empowers people's mobility. A motor-powered microprocessor knee that provides motion assistance and enables natural movement to enhance amputees' mobility in their daily activities. With self-driving cars, airplanes that can move comfortably around the world, and taxis that can be easily called with a single mobile phone, the technology that supports mobility continues to develop day by day. However, there are still major mobility issues that remain, even in this modern age of technology. Your own foot is your primary source of mobility. Consequently, it can also be a source of inconvenience due to weakened muscles, injuries, illnesses, and amputations. Not only there is a physical burden associated with lameness, but there is a heavy mental burden of losing freedom. It's aimed to provide the freedom of movement through our cutting-edge technology. Powering and empowering mobility for all. Thanks for watching the video. It's appreciated to like and share the video. You are requested to subscribe our channel for upcoming latest updates.